You are looking at Lauren Cecchi Women's Spring Summer New York Tote Handbag. It's in a light purple called Orchard. 100% Italian leather. It has a magnetic snap closure. It has one slip pocket. The Orchard Tote Italian leather is perfect for this spring and all summer long. It's one of this season's most celebrated handbags with a glimmering metallic interior. Well-appointed hardware with polish to perfection. This handbag is 16 by 14 by 10. It is made in America, in New York City. Everyone will love you wearing this handbag. You will get tons of compliments. Where did you get this handbag? And as always, happy shopping!